Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 6th class maths, ratios and proportions. In this exercise 11.2 I have to do. So the first one is express the following ratios in the simplest form. This is the problem. So the first one is 2:3. See, these two are, they themselves are simplest forms, children. There is nothing to do it here because 2 and 3 are co-primes. Co-primes means what? They don't have any other common factor so that we can simplify. So 2:3 is as it is. You will be taking. And second bit, 16:20. 16:20, let us write it as 16/20 because they are not co-primes. So 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. These two becomes co-primes. They don't have anything common. So the ratio will be if the P by Q form or the rational form is 4/5. So this can be written as 4:5. This is the answer for second bit. And third bit, 5:6. Again, 5:6. These two are co-primes, no common factor. So answer also will be 5:6 only. Here also I'll be writing 2:3 is the answer. We cannot simplify it. The reason for it is they themselves are co-primes. Next, fourth bit, 20:60. This you can write it as 20/60. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 threes are 1/3 you are getting. So this means 1:3 is the answer. Then fifth bit, I'll write fifth bit here. Fifth bit is 8:15. See children, 8:15 also, you don't have any common factor. So answer is 8:15 itself is the answer because these two are also co-primes. See children, I am saying primes means you may have a doubt. What is this? 8 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. Why ma'am is saying that 8:15 they are co-primes? I am using a word letter co-primes children. Co-primes in the sense these two are not having any common factor. See, here you have common factor, so I have divided. Here you have common factor, so I have divided. Here 8:15, if you write 8/15, with which table you can cancel them? You cannot cancel them with any table. So we call such kind of ratios or such kind of numbers as co-primes. It doesn't mean that because primes are there, they should be prime. Prime numbers are different, co-primes are different. Please note it. Don't get confused with primes and co-primes. So co-primes are what? Co-primes are those two numbers which do not have any common factor. So that is the reason why I am saying them as co-primes. Next, sixth one. What is the sixth one? 19:2. See, even this itself is the answer because these two are also co-primes. 19 and 2 are also co-primes. Please note it down children. Second problem children. A bag contains 20 grams of rice and another bag contains 60 kgs, 20 kgs. A bag contains 20 kgs of rice and another bag contains 60 kgs of wheat. Find the ratio of amount of rice to that of wheat. What is the ratio of rice to total weight? So, two they are asking. First bit is rice to that of wheat. So, let us write first weight of rice bag. is 20 kgs and weight of wheat bag, how much? 60 kgs. So you need to find out. The question is find the ratio of rice to that of wheat. So rice is to wheat. Rice is to wheat is 20 is to 60. That means 20 by 60. These two zeros will get cancelled. 1 is to 3. So 1 is to 3 you will be getting. So rice is to wheat is equal to 1 is to 3. This is one answer for this problem. Apart from this, they are also asking you to find out ratio of rice to total weight. So first you find out what is total weight. Total weight is equal to first rice we will write 20 plus 60, that is 80 kgs. So we need to write the ratio of rice is to total weight. Rice is how much, children? Rice weight is 20. So 20 is to total weight 80. That is 20 by 80. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So this is 1 is to 4. So rice is to total weight is equal to 1 is to 4. So these two are the answers for this problem, children. Second one, please note it down. Now, third problem, children. Third problem is there are 32 students in a class, of which 12 are girls. 3 bits are given. Find the ratio of number of boys to the girls, ratio of number of boys to the total number of students, and ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. So, let us see this one by one. We will be taking care of this, children. So, the total number of total number of students are 32. Number of girls, how much they have given? Number of girls are 12. Therefore, what is the number of boys? How will you get? From the total, if you subtract girls, you are getting boys, that is 20 boys. Number of boys are 20. So the first one is what? Ratio of boys to girls. So you need to find out boys is to girls ratio. Boys are 20 is to girls are 12. That is 20 by 12, 2 tens are, and then to 5. With 4 we will do very easily, we can find out 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So 5 by 12 means 5 is to 3. So boys is to girls is equal to 5 is to 3. This is the answer for the first bit. Now let us see the second bit. What is the second bit? Second bit is ratio of boys is to total. Boys is to total. Boys, how much we have got, children? Boys 20. Is to what is the total? 32. So 20 by 32. So 4 5s are 4 8s are 5 is to 8. So boys is to total is 5 is to 8. This is the answer. Now, third bit. Third bit is girls to total. Girls is to total. So, how many are girls? Girls, they have said number of girls are 12. So, 12 is to total 32. That is 12 by 32. 4 threes are 4 8 are. So this is 3 is to 8. So girls is to total is equal to 3 is to 8. This is one more answer, children. So please follow this and copy. Now third problem, children. Third problem here. Draw a four-sided closed figure and divide it into some equal parts. They are asking a four-sided figure. That means either a square or a rectangle. And you have to anything four-sided square, rectangle, you have got trapezium, you have got parallelogram, rhombus, anything, any shape you can draw. Shade the figure with any colors so that the ratio of the shaded part and unshaded part is 1 is to 3. So you have to divide it in such a way that the shaded part and unshaded part ratio, if you see, it should be 1 is to 3. And next bit is draw two more different figures and do the same. So different figures, they are not insisting us to do for the four-sided figure only. So let us see how to do it. The first bit is I am taking a square and I am dividing it into four equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, this is third part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So I have taken 4 and 4. In this, I am shading this. This is one shaded part, and this is another shaded part. One more shaded part, and this is one more shaded part. So let me write number of shaded parts. How many I have taken? 4. Number of unshaded parts. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me count otherwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are there unshaded parts. So, what is the ratio? Ratio is 4 by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are, that is 1 is to 3. So what is asked in the problem? We have done, children. This is the first bit. And second and third, our wish. Any figures we can draw. So I am taking a circle and dividing it into parts like this. And here I am shading two parts. So here number of shaded parts is equal to 2. Number of unshaded parts. Let me count. 1, I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. There are 6. So what is the ratio? 2 is to 6. That means 2 by 6, 1 by 3. See, I am getting ultimately it as 1 by 3. So you have to do it in such a way that ratio is 1 is to 3. So if I take 4, I should get 4 threes are 12. 12 parts I should get. So 4 plus 12, 16 parts I have to divide. Like that I have to do. Calculation should be done like that, children. What is the numerator that you want? Suppose you want to take a numerator. Numerator you have to take numerator 2 you are taking means in the denominator 2 threes are 6. 6 you have to take as the denominator. That means altogether how many parts I should divide? I should divide it into 8 parts. So this way you should have a knowledge with children, because in the examination if they give another ratio, how to do? You cannot buttify. You should understand the concept. Whichever ratio they are giving, for that take numerator one number and what is the other number, multiply by that. So 1 is to 3 they give. So first I am taking 4. 4 means 4 threes are 12. In the denominator I have taken 12. So that means what? In the denominator 12 means if I add 4 and 12, 16. I should make 16 equal parts here. So that if I share 4 parts, totally I'll get 1 is to 3. Similarly here also I took 2 as the numerator. 2 into 3, 6. Denominator should be 6. 6 means total how many parts I should get? 6 plus 2, 8 parts. So I divided it into 8 parts. In that 2 I have shaded and I got this figure, children. Next, third one. See, I am taking a rectangle and I am dividing it like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 are enough. So I'll reduce this size. 4. So in this, I am shading 2. So number of shaded parts are 2. Number of unshaded parts. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are there. So what is the ratio? 2 by 6. That means 1 by 3. This is nothing but 1 is to 3. So what did they ask? That we have done. So please understand the concept, children. In whichever ratio they are asking to do, in that way you have to divide. How to divide a figure, in how many equal parts you have to divide, that you will understand if you do your calculations like this. I took a numerator as a 2 means 2 into 3, 6 equal parts I want. So I have taken a rectangle. 2 plus 6, 8. I have divided it into 8 parts, and in that I have taken 2 colored ones. So 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So I hope I am clear, children. Please note down this. Now let us see fifth problem, children. Imran bought 2 liters of oil and Vijay bought 500 ml of oil. Find the ratio of quantities of oil bought by Imran and oil. So, bought, it is not brought. Imran bought, purchased. So, what is the oil quantity of oil bought by first Imran? Imran is 2 liters and another person is Vijay. How much Vijay has bought? 500 ml. See, children, this is in liters, this is in milliliters. So we cannot find a ratio like this. So convert 2 liters into milliliters. So 2 into 1000. That is 2000 milliliters. So we need to go for the ratio Imran is to Vijay. After converting them as same, the question is they are asking to find out quantities of oil bought by Imran to Vijay. So first Imran, then Vijay. That is 2000 is to 500. That is equal to 2000 by 500. Zeros will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So actually we are getting 4, but ratio we have to write, so 4 by 1. So the what is the ratio? The ratio is equal to 4 is to 1. This is the answer, children, for this problem. Note down. The next problem, sixth problem. Weight of Abraham is 20 kgs and his father's weight is 60 kgs. Find the ratio of weight of Abraham and his father. Express it in the simplest form. So, first, weight of, what is the question here? Weight of Abraham and father. Weight of Abraham is how much? 20 kgs. So, what is the father's weight? Father's weight is 60 kgs. Now, the question is find the ratio of quantities of Imran to father. Sorry, weight of Abraham to his father. So, Abraham is to father. This ratio we want is equal to 20 by 60. That means 20 is to 60. This is one answer, children. And simplest form they are asking. Actually, we are giving all in simplest form only since they have asked separately. So, right, do it separately. 20 by 60, it is 1 by 3. 1 is to 3 is the simplest form. This is the other answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is sixth problem. Next problem, children. Seventh problem. Ramu spent 2 by 5th of his money on a storybook. Find the ratio of the money spent to the total money with him at the beginning. Some money he is having. In that 2 by 5th he has spent for storybooks. So the question is, what is the ratio of this money spent for storybook to that of the total money? So let us see. Let the total amount with Ramu is equal to rupees X and money spent on storybooks. How much? 2 by 5 of X. That is 2x by 5 rupees. Rupees 2x by 5. So, what is the ratio? Ratio we need to find for money spent to total you have to do. Money spent is 2x by 5 to total is x. So how will you write this, children? 2x by 5 divided by x. All these times we are taking now divided by x. So this can be written as 2x by 5. X means x by 1 it will be into division becomes multiplication and reciprocal you have to write. This you know, children. A by B by C by D, A by B into D by C. Division becomes multiplication. X and X will get cancelled 2 by 5. So, what is the ratio? Ratio is equal to 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Seventh one, total amount we are considering it as x. So 2 by 5 of x, 2 by 5 into x, 2x by 5. So the ratio is total money spent to total. Money spent is this, total is this. So 2x by 5 divided by x. X means x by 1. So how will you write? Numerator 2x by 5 into division becomes multiplication 1 by x. So x and x will get cancelled. 2 by 5 we will be getting. With this, I am concluding my part. Next one, I will do it in the next part.